Okay guys, so picked up a new plow for Frankenstein here. Of course, it's a Western. Hopefully we're going to get this assembled. I want to get the power unit here onto the truck, and I'm going to assemble it just like I did my other one. Put the wings on with it on the truck there. But you get 2 crates when you buy a new plow. Well, if you want to assemble it, they'll assemble it for you. But I kind of like to do my own thing. So we're going to continue on with this assembly and get the new plow on Frankenstein. Okay, so we got the main power unit on the truck there, and now it's time for the wings. Got them right here. The plan is to get them out of the pallet there, or unstrap them because they're bolted in there. We're gonna back up here, raise the forklift tines up, chain it to the tines, raise up out of the pallet, and then go stick it the wings on the truck there. So we'll see how that works out. Okay guys, so there it is, all assembled and on the truck. For those of you that don't know, this is a 8.5 MVP3 in the stainless, and I'll be doing more with this plow. This is a brand new plow. It's got Western's new headlights on it. That's pretty much the only thing not done right now, is I gotta adjust those headlights and tighten them down. I've checked the fluid, topped it off. All the other bolts are tight. Had to do an adjustment to get it to lay on the floor flat. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Stay tuned for more of Frankenstein and the stainless Western here. I'll see you in the next one.